Hi all, Ashish Kyal here and warm welcome to Ashish Kyal Trading Gurukul. I am going to talk about how you can trade futures options looking at simple concepts of price action, bands, RSI, कैसे ये सारी चीजों को ट्रेड किया जा सकता है। और अभी तो दोस्तों ये भी आ गया है सर्कुलर की the expiry has been now moving out of Nifty, it's out of Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, और ये सारी एक्सपायरीज जो है वो वीकली एक्सपायरीज निकल जाएगी। खाली एनएससी की निफ्टी की एक्सपायरी एक रहेगी। तो ये बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग स्टेप है टू सेफ गार्ड द इन्वेस्टर्स एंड ट्रेडर्स। एंड इसमें ऐसे में चलते हुए इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस टू एक्सप्लोर द अदर एवेन्यूज वेयर इट इज पॉसिबल टू ट्रेड maybe on the daily expiries, but it's risky. You have to trade with a stop loss. You need to know clear process. You need to know how to apply that. ये सब सारी चीजें बहुत जरूरी हो जाती है। So I'm going to talk about a very classic way in which you can trade crypto, especially Ethereum, जहां पर एलियट वेव पैटर्न बहुत क्लियर है एंड साथ ही में इंपॉर्टेंट प्राइस एक्शन भी है, सपोर्ट है एंड प्राइसेस वहीं से बार बार बाउंस बैक हो रहा है। तो क्या लग रहा है वहां पर, क्या पोजीशंस ले सकते हैं, क्या ट्रेड कर सकते हैं, इस सारी चीजों के बारे में मैं अभी आपको बताता हूँ। लेट मी जस्ट शेयर अक्रॉस माई स्क्रीन ऑफ क्रिप्टो, कैसे मैं ट्रेड करता हूँ, क्या किया ये सारी चीजों के चलते हुए। सो इफ यू आर एबल टू सी माई स्क्रीन हियर, दिस इज अ डेल्टा एक्सचेंज प्लेटफॉर्म and on this platform I look at Ethereum, I look at Bitcoin primarily, maybe trading in options, maybe trading in futures, जहाँ पे भी opportunity है to trade basis of that, and that's what we are trying to do and see here. Also अगर आपको याद होगा, I have shared across my past videos on crypto where I converted my 10,000 into a lakh, and how I did that and how I was able to make the percentage that you see. So that's my aim. Can I convert now this 1 lakh into 10 lakh? Is it possible? रिस्क है लेकिन कोशिश आ रही है। तो फिलहाल मैंने थोड़े दिनों में ट्रेड लिया नहीं है क्योंकि रेंज में लग रहा है यहाँ पर कोई भी डायरेक्शन नहीं है क्रिप्टो में भी। मार्केट काफी सबड्यूड है, आईवीज काफी पुल ऑफ हो चुके हैं। सो ऑप्शन में सेलिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी भी नहीं मिल रही है, बाइंग में पैसा बनेगा नहीं क्योंकि ओवरऑल ट्रेंड इतना स्ट्रांग नहीं है। सो लेट अस लुक एट इट फ्रॉम अ लिटिल मोर इन डेप्थ पर्सपेक्टिव एंड हाउ वी कैन गो अबाउट इट। यहाँ पर अगर आप जाएंगे तो यू कैन क्लियरली सी ऑल द एनालिटिक्स भी देख सकते हो। ऑप्शंस डेटा के एनालिटिक्स अवेलेबल है। यू कैन सी बिटकॉइन पे वेर इज द मैक्सिमम ओआई बिल्डअप हैपनिंग, what is the areas that people are betting on. You can see the change in open interest, which is very, very interesting. You can see the volumes happening around. IVs दिख रहा है यहाँ पे. As I said, the IVs have dropped sharply. So if you're looking at, if you come to this part, you can clearly see the implied wall of a Bitcoin is now around 42 levels. Sorry, 24 levels is the IV right now. And you can see the realized volatility has been much higher. So यहाँ से आपको ये सारी चीजें दिखती है, पता चलता है कि यार हिस्टोरिकली देखेंगे तो जो वोलेटिलिटी है ऑप्शंस की कैसे बिहेव कर रही है। एंड यू कैन क्लियरली सी दिस इज डेली चार्ट, you can change that to weekly, monthly also. And I can see here that the IV has been 25.76, then sharp spike up happened towards that 49 levels and then cooled off again to these lower levels. So फिलहाल अगर देखोगे आईवी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सपोर्ट पे बिटकॉइन की आ चुकी है, बिकॉज दैट्स वेयर द एंटायर बाउंस बैक हैज बीन हैपनिंग कॉन्स्टेंटली। कैन यू सी दैट? Can you see this IV? It's amazing. Okay, so which means selling option is not the strategy as of now because the IVs have cooled off, and you can also see the difference, and ये सारी चीजें यहाँ से आपको मिलेगा, यहाँ से चार्ट्स मिलते हैं, तो यहाँ पर आप एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हो ऑप्शंस डेटा। Now if I go on to the markets, I'm going to look at Ethereum right now and we look at options chart also of Bitcoin. तो Bitcoin का अगर हम देखेंगे with respect to the expiry of say 18th October, 18th October की expiry अगर हम देखते हैं यहाँ पर, we can clearly see the IVs are very low, 36 के आसपास है फिलहाल, and usually you get 60 65 IVs also, at times 80 85 IVs भी मिलता है आपको. That's how the IVs are. So I'm just showing it across to you. And if I go to the Ethereum chart, this is the chart where I've done my wave counts on the on Ethereum. Looks like we completed way down. We had wave B up. We completed 5 waves down, and right now we are not seeing momentum. We got on the upside, we again came back towards that, haven't broken that low for now. And very interestingly is this entire price action support, if you check, अगर आप ये देख रहे, let me go on to regular scale. यहाँ पर देखिए, this is the area which was in July, and this was classic resistance, support, 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 and we are right there, which means यहाँ अगर सही एंट्री इथेरियम पे मिल गई तो मजा आ जाएगा ट्रेड करने में, स्विंग ट्रेडिंग लेने में, या ऑप्शन बाय करने में, या फ्यूचर लॉन्ग जाने में. अभी वो करना कैसे? सो इफ आई गो टू इथेरियम एंड जूम इन द चार्ट, I can see that the price have been forming a low down here again and again and managing, trying to bounce back. Okay, I'm going to apply Bollinger Bands here because that works fantastic for me on these kind of markets. So अगर मैं यहाँ पर जाता हूँ, I can go to the markets, I can pick up pop bands, I can select Ethereum here, and once I select Ethereum, I can see the charts here, and you can buy in fraction, you can buy in any kind of a breakup also. That's the beauty of it. And if I apply bends here, I can see prices are showing some kind of a profit booking from the upper level of the band, now very near to the lower band. It has still not touched the lower band. It's near to the lower band, which means we can still continue to move in lackluster fashion as of now. Unless we break about 2508, that's the level. एंड 2480 भी एक इंपॉर्टेंट लेवल है, इसके ऊपर स्पाइक आएगा. सो 2480 अगर इथेरियम निकालता है, फॉलोड बाय 2508, we will get a classic opportunity to ride back towards 2744. So I am going to be looking for buying opportunity in crypto, not immediately, but looking at the next few hours or few days of price action. If I go on 1 hour chart, and if I see 1 hour chart, so we can see there is a bounce back from the lower side, but prices are still not broken above the upper end of the band. And there is a technique on Bollinger Bands. If you have not seen that, you should see my past videos on crypto, which I have published. That will give you a lot more insight of that. So if you look at this, I think we need to have some patience here right now. And I am looking for buying opportunity because we are at a multi-month support zone on Ethereum for sure. So we will be look for buying. And यहाँ पर एक important price action hurdle है. So if you look at this, multiple rejection यहाँ से हुआ है, बहुत बार reject हुआ है. So if we can see price managing to close above the upper end of the band, about say 2440 के ऊपर अगर बंद होता है, and the next candle manages to take out the high, we get a classic buying opportunity on Ethereum. Also, as I said, the options are here which are expiring daily. So I'm going to wait for some kind of a confirmation about 2440 followed by 2480. 2480 is around this level. Once I have that, then there will be a strong indication of a reversal trade on the upside. Until then, maybe if you want to sell option, but the IVs are low, so I'm little unsure about it. If we should sell the option and make money from there. If you look at Bitcoin also, so that is Ethereum. If I look at Bitcoin, and Bitcoin also, it's a very similar pattern and structure that I'm seeing. If I look at the daily chart of Bitcoin, Bitcoin has been just moving in lackluster sideways action, मतलब dead हो चुका है. ट्रेंड आना है वो पक्की बात है, और ट्रेंड आने के लिए आई नीड अ क्लोज अबव प्रायर कैंडल हाई. सो दिस कैंडल हाई is at the level of 61,320, and we are just inching towards that level. So if Bitcoin breaks above 61,320 zone, then we might have a good opportunity for that also to move up. So 61,320 Bitcoin का लेवल ध्यान रखना है, और आपको इथेरियम का मैंने लेवल्स बताया, and we should get a good opportunity because this will become a failed breakout pattern on Ethereum. Failed breakout वीडियो देखना अगर आपने नहीं देखा, it is simply superb. यहाँ से prices broke down, reverse back, trapped the late entrants, And now if it breaks back above 61,320, it will be a classic opportunity for us to buy. But 61,320 के ऊपर मुझे बंद चाहिए 1 hour. Sorry, 61,320 is here. Yes, I need a 1 hour close. या थोड़ा सा अगर आप लीवे देके एंटर कर सकते हो. So you might want to enter little later on the basis of this. वहां पर 61,500 के आसपास. So 61,320 is the zone. यहाँ का है and 61,500 is giving a little leeway. Once that happens, I'm going to be bullish on Bitcoin as well. So looking for that. If the low breaks, then I might be a little skeptical. This is the support. And on the Ethereum, if you check, this is where we are. We need that opportunity. And if we capture it right, it's going to be crazy move. That's going to happen. But we have to be patient and trade with a strict stop loss because whipsaw bhi ho sakta hai. Awesome, guys. So I thought I'll just share across. I've not punched in any order today. I've not done that over past 3-4 days क्योंकि मैं opportunity की wait कर रहा हूँ. That's how you have to be patient enough. And once you get that, you have to grab that opportunity. It's going to be fantastic. So if you are liking these videos, अपने comment लिखिए. ये simple price action technique के basis पे मैंने आपको explain किया है. It cannot be simpler than this with bands and with wave count, of course. So do ensure that you are liking and sharing it across. और साथ ही में हमारा ब्रह्मास्त्र का मेंटरशिप सेशन भी शुरू होने वाला है दोस्तों नवंबर से. So if you want, you can be a part of that. Awesome, guys. आज के लिए इतना ही. Thank you very much for joining in and share these videos across and put your comments what you want to listen out of me. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful time and become a wonderful trader.